In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate areas in Stack. The process is straightforward and we'll walk through each step together to ensure clarity. First, we begin by navigating to the Stack login page. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the option to log in with your Google account. This method provides a seamless and secure way to access Stack without having to remember yet another password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate your project. Simply click on your project to enter the workspace. Within the workspace, you'll want to select the Plans and Takeoffs tab. This is where all your project plans are centrally organized, making it easy to manage and access them whenever needed. Once you're in the Plans and Takeoffs section, the next step is to choose the specific plan you wish to measure. With the plan selected, you'll see an option labeled Takeoffs. Clicking on this will allow you to proceed with defining areas within your selected plan. At this point, it's time to add a new takeoff. You'll see a button called New Takeoff. Go ahead and click it. This will initiate the setup for measuring areas. Next, you'll be prompted to select Area. Choose this option since we are focusing specifically on measuring areas within your project plans. After selecting the area, type in a name for your takeoff. Naming your takeoff appropriately is essential as it helps keep your project organized and makes it easier to find specific measurements later on. Once you've entered a name, click on Create Takeoff. Now you are ready to start measuring. Click on Start Measuring. Begin by identifying the four corners of an area you want to measure, like a room. This is where precise clicking is vital. At each corner of the room, you'll click to mark the perimeter. This process is important to ensure accurate measurements. You need to click on each corner. First one, then the other, continuing all around until you have all four identified. Once you've marked all the corners, press Enter to complete the area measurement. After hitting Enter, you'll want to finalize the process by clicking on Finish Measuring. Doing this confirms the area has been accurately recorded. And there you have it, you've successfully measured an area in Stack. This process can be repeated for other areas within the same plan or different plans, as needed. With these steps, measuring areas in Stack becomes a much more approachable task, thanks to its organized structure and user-friendly interface. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need to refresh your memory on any step, and don't hesitate to explore the Stack platform further to take full advantage of its measurement capabilities.